We had created all of you. And we had fashioned you. صَوَّرْنَاكُمْ صَوَّرَ يُصَوِّرُ. What's the masdar? Tasweer. To fashion, to mold, to depict. He artistically formed you. We artistically formed you. ثُمَّ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ. Then we said to the angels, make sajda to Adam. Then they all made sajda with the exception of Iblis. لَمْ يَكُنْ مِنَ السَّاجِدِينَ. He wasn't from the ones who made sajda. لَمْ يَكُنْ مِنَ السَّاجِدِينَ. He didn't join the ranks of the people who would do sajda. I would want to translate that literally. Ablasa, Iblis, Ablasa means to lose hope. To lose hope, to completely lose hope. قَالَ مَا مَنَعَكَ. Then Allah said to him, what forbade you? What stopped you? أَلَّا تَسْجُدَ إِذْ أَمَرْتُكَ. That you would make sajda when I commanded you. Allah added two things here. مَا مَنَعَكَ أَلَّا تَسْجُدَ. What forbade you that you didn't do sajda? That was enough. That much is enough. But Allah adds, إِذْ أَمَرْتُكَ. Now you could also say here, إِذْ أُمِرْتَ, when you were commanded. But Allah Azza wa Jal adds Himself to the sentence. He says, when I commanded you. And إِذْ also is فِيهِ مُفَاجَأَةً. Immediately when I commanded you, why didn't you just go into... He said, I'm better than he is. خَلَقْتَنِي مِن نَارٍ. You created me. It's like he's not doing kufr here. He's not saying you're not the creator. He's saying you created me. Min narin. And he's also acknowledging what he was created from. He's very aware of his own creation story. You created me from fire. وَخَلَقْتَهُ مِن طِينٍ. You created him out of clay. Wet soil. Min teen. This ayah is the essence of the problem of Iblis. He's not denying who Allah is. You don't have to follow the footsteps of shaitan by being an atheist. You could be a theist. Shaitan is technically a theist. He believes in God, so much so he's talking to him. He's also acknowledging that he's created by him. He's not declaring himself God. He's not like Fir'aun. Fir'aun said, yeah, I'm Rabb. He didn't say that. He just said, why did he get a promotion? I deserve the promotion. And do you think even he has a problem doing sajda to Allah Azza wa Jal? Iblis? No. The problem isn't sajda to Allah. The problem is obeying Allah when it came to accepting the authority of someone other than Allah Himself. Chain of command. I am making the human being the highest authority on the earth. And this sajda is not a sajda of worship, it's a ceremonial sajda. Let me tell you the modern equivalent of a ceremonial sajda, a salute. A salute, this is your new general. All the soldiers are gonna salute. That means they have acknowledged his authority. Now he's got authority. He's got a rank that has been acknowledged by everybody. The older sajda, essentially that's what it was. It was an acknowledgement of somebody else's ranking. What is the fundamental problem people have with religion? One of the main fundamental problems? Prophets. Why him? What's so special about him? Why should I listen to everything I could worship God myself. I don't need him. I have no problem doing sajda to God. I just can't think that He will be the authority over me. Human beings naturally don't want to have... And you're saying, the idea is I'm humble to God but not anybody else, right? Sounds really good. But it's also actually, at its core, satanic. It sounds really good. I'm going to turn to God, nobody else. And that's why you have people that say, I'm a spiritual person, but I don't adhere to religion. That's a new version of, Tawheed, right? I'm a spiritual person. I believe there's something out there. That's why I'm wearing these multiple amulets. Right? But beyond that, I don't want to constrain myself to a religion. That's essentially Iblis. Essentially, that's Iblis mentality. Well, if he's jealous of Adam, then he wants the status that Adam has. What status does Adam a.s. have? Inni ja'alun fil ardi khalifa. Why is he put on the earth? Did Allah tell us why Adam was put on this earth? What's the reason for our creation? وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ. Okay, so to worship. In other words, he just got an imam job. Adam a.s. just got a religious job. His job, his honor, is he gets to worship Allah. It's not about wealth. It's not about status. It's essentially about worship. The reason I bring this up is, the arrogance of Iblis, you could think arrogance and greed and pride has to do with territory and power and control. It can also make its way into religious discourse. I am the rightful leader of this community. I'm the scholar everybody should be learning Islam from. To learn to submit to Allah, they should come to me. They should learn Quran from me. They should learn Hadith from me. They should learn Sirah. See that idea? It's also seeking power yourself through religion. It's a religious recognition that he's seeking actually. He said, descend from it. Go down from it. فَمَا يَكُونُ لَكَ أَن تَتَكَبَّرَ فِيهَا. It's not becoming of you to be arrogant in it. It's the exact opposite of how the world works. The higher up you get your rank with Allah, the more humble you're supposed to be. In this world, the higher up your ranks get in anything, in a corporation, in government, in anything, the more arrogant you can get, the more prideful you can get. But with Allah, the higher your rank gets, the more less of a place it is for you to show arrogance. The more you put yourself down, the more you get elevated with Allah Azza wa Jal. So it's the reverse formula. It's not becoming of you to get full of yourself here. فَخْرُجْ. Then get out. Leave. إِنَّكَ مِنَ الصَّاغِرِينَ. You are from those who have been made small, meaning who've been hidden. He said, give me time, wait for me. The Old English translation says, give me respite. Or give me respite. I've heard that in a khutbah, it's pretty awesome. Nobody knows what respite is. Some people thought he was talking about soda. Give me a Sprite. Qala anzurni. Give me time. Wait for me. Don't punish me right away. Just give me a few. Ila yawmi yub'athun. Until the day that they are going to be raised. Notice yawmi is ghayr munawwan, because it's a mudaf. And yub'athun, the fi'il mudari, is a mudaf ilay fi mahalli jar. Crazy, that happens too. Okay? Not on day one in class, but eventually it happens. Right? Ila yawmi yub'athun. Yawmi mudaf, yub'athuna mudaf ilayh. The day on which they'll be raised. Give me until that time. Just give me until then. Qala innaka minal munzarin. He said, no doubt about it. Don't be in any doubt. You are from those who have been given that much time. You are from those who have been waited for. In other words, he has an army that's been given that much time too. They can roam free too. They're not going to be cast into hell immediately. So he didn't say innaka munzarun. He said innaka minal munzarin. You're among them. So he's a following.